Hi guys, Madam So went ahead and sent me their electric fabric scissors here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what they look like and how they work. I currently have a old t-shirt that I never wear anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So this is my first time actually opening this, so I have not used it as of yet. So it looks like it comes with a few different things here. We're going to go ahead and pull this thing out, show you guys everything it comes with. So we got the cable right here that looks like a charging cable, a user instruction manual, as well as a few bolts and a hex key right there. Oh wow, okay, so right there we have the actual thing itself right there. So it does have a little cover on there, little like that. So it does have a little cover on there just for safety issues such as that one. So we do have that, and wow, okay, so wow, this thing is like very it's very fast, I can say that. So it's going to be able to cut through things really quick and easy. So this thing is very nice. It's very nice and easy to hold on to. Like it has a really nice grip on there. Has this nice rubber grip right here and right here. So you know you're going to be protected. So let's go ahead and get my old shirt out and just try cutting it really quick. So we got this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of go through one of this portion right here. And I do want to go through like the neck area and just kind of see how well it works. Okay, so you can see that I did cut through that really easily and very quickly. Like I didn't have to do anything. So there's that portion, and then we're going to do a little bit of the thicker portion right here just to see how well it does. We're going to do that as well. So we got this portion right here. We're going to put this right here and just kind of put it to the test. And you can see just pulling that and cutting is went through that like it was nothing. That is really cool. So for me, I've never used fabric scissors before, but I do work with a lot of electronics and stuff. I've never seen anything quite like this before. This is very cool. So we can just go ahead and kind of slide it through there. So anybody who sews probably knows how to work these things a little bit better than me. Obviously, I've never done anything like this, so I'm not sure the best way to go about holding this, or yeah, you can see that. Oh wow, okay. Actually, never mind. I figured it out in about 2 seconds. You can see it cuts through that like butter. This thing is super awesome. Very well high quality product. Really do love it. Highly recommend it, and hope y'all give it a try.